The National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse, NACADA, has reported an increased level of drug addiction and trafficking among the youth. The Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse body reveals that young people aged between 10 to 16 are the most vulnerable, saying this should sound as an alarm to future generations.
Today we were offering counseling. There was basic counseling. We were offering free blood tests for people who are ready to do it, and we also have rehabilitation centers. So in case we have people who need to get out of any habit, we are able to refer them.
The youth are affected, whether they are in college or not in college, all of them it cuts across. There are so many drugs they are abusing, mostly illicit drugs, and some of them are abusing prescription drugs.
Speaking during the Drug Awareness Month walk, National Pathfinders Adventist Club NAPAC Director Eva Boy lamented that more children in the country continue to be introduced into drug abuse.
10 to 15-year-olds are getting drugs. They're very easily accessible. In school, they buy sweets, they buy and they're able to get drugs through whatever they get as snacks.
Alcohol and marijuana are abused most because, number one, they are easily accessible, and then number two, they are affordable.
Besides lowering academic performance, experts say drug addiction predisposes the youth to increased risk of contracting diseases, and if unchecked, it could lead to delinquency.
People who abuse drugs definitely are not in good mental status. That is number one. And you know, even if you went to the mental hostel, one of the mental hostels, we have drug-induced psychosis. People who have used drugs so much until now they cannot survive. They have to be taken to the hostel. Then number two is the physical effects of these drugs. They destroy different parts of the body. There are people who are ending up with liver problems.
Drug Awareness Walk is an annual event by National Pathfinders Adventist Club meant to sensitize communities on drug abuse and consequences of taking part in drug abuse habit.
The reason why I'm here today is to work for encouraging the drug awareness walk. It's to stop people from taking drugs, and it's a really fun experience. It was worth it.
It helps me, and also it also helps the other people to know that drugs are bad.
Over 5,000 children aged between 10 and 15 years participated in this year's walk.